told me how it's just another game. How are you so cynical? I didn't know that you were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same. I won't ever let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake-up call, or something that'll keep me moving on. I might try your meditation. Maybe that'll rid of all the stress. But come and see how everything just circles in the end. I don't know how to tell you this, but the situation's getting really weak for me. Just text, don't call, stop feeding my anxiety. I won't never let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. Don't need another wake-up call, or something that'll keep me moving on.
Hello, it is I, voiceover Merle, and I leave my microphone because I do not have a fancy mic. So if you hear a lot of ASMR, I apologize. You kind of have to deal with it because I have no moolah, so I can't invest in one of those fancy microphones. But maybe one day. So yeah, this is Madame Sauerkraut. This was my domain for the last 5.5, almost 6 years. It was in the heart of Hamburg and it was gorgeous. My mom and I started this shop in November, and my sister was still at uni in America, so she couldn't really help us with planning and decorating and stuff because, yeah, she was in the States studying. And my mom and I had so much fun when we moved to Hamburg. We had two 20-foot containers which almost killed us, but that's a whole nother story. But half of the containers was filled with merchandise and furniture that we brought over from the States from when we had 3 shops there. And we also started the name Madame Sauerkraut over there. It was better than always being called the German girls, the German family. My dad didn't really like being called the German girl all the time, so we kind of made fun of it because you know how the Americans call us Krauts. So we're like, made it fancy, made it Madame Sauerkraut. So it's just really hard capturing the beauty of the shop because we had so much and you can't really, like, I don't know, my camera doesn't really capture the layers and the depths and the niceness. It's a really pretty shop and we had so many nice things, and it's kind of sad seeing this footage now because it's August. Actually, it's September now, and the shop is already closed. So is my apartment. It's all done and we're out of the city, and but I'm really happy that I got to capture the shop before the crazy moving out happened. We had a lot of things. Oh, look at my little safe zone. Literally, because, COVID. But that was my little spot where I had my little kingdom of Madame Sauerkraut. Hmm. Anyway, so yeah, now the shop is closed and did not capture or film any of the moving out. It was just so hectic. It was so much. We had a 7.5 ton truck moving, and we also had to go back and forth with our hangar a few times. So, yeah. And we also moved out of my apartment. So it was 2 movings at once. And you can see I still have my Christmas decorations up when I filmed this because I haven't been there since lockdown in Germany, and that was Christmas. So I haven't been there since, like, I don't know. Maybe I was there in between, but I can't recall it. And this was my first apartment from my uni days when my family left the city. And I loved it. It was 30 square meters. I had a little terrace area, and it was a gorgeous apartment. Now it's just messy because I was in the middle of moving out and I already moved out all my pretty furniture that at that point was already in the hats in our apartment. And I had some really good memories in this place when I had my friends over. Sometimes we squeezed 8 people in the little kitchen, ate pizza and played Nintendo to, like, I don't know what time at night. And I will treasure those memories. And also, I'm happy I have a bigger bathroom now.
Ja, ich nehme mal. Nee, das Zähnebacken nehme ich immer. Muss ich lohnen. Also man hat das hat man, gell?
Die macht, also die sind größtenteils darauf.
Vacation time. That I definitely needed before the whole shebang happened. That was beginning of June. and it was lovely. This is when we were on the way up to Denmark, and we got tested because we had to have a test, and it was, yeah, and because it was right by the Heide Park, we also stopped there for a nice lunch break before we continued up north. And it was just a beautiful travel day. And may I say again, the beach, Denmark, I love it. And I might go in next weekend again to Denmark. So I'm excited. And my baby, my Tim baby, turned 25. It was a beautiful birthday, just the way he liked it, with lots of cake and food. And I mean, best way to celebrate a birthday. I hope you're all doing good. You're surviving these depressing times, and yeah, I feel super exhausted and tired, and maybe it's from the moving out, maybe it's from some other personal stuff that happened that really got me down. But I'm very blessed to be able to have moved very close to my parents, and well, that's Prudy, our little handicapped chicken. But all those, maybe another time I'm able to open up about what happened, but nature really heals, and if you're able to go outside when you're really down and you feel like your heart is breaking, I can just tell you, go outside, even if it's hard. But if you're able to have some loved ones around you or a friend, go and just go outside. Doesn't matter where you walk, just be somewhere where it's green and nature heals you and gives you energy. And if you have to have a good cry underneath a tree, do it. I did it. It really helped. Stay safe, stay happy, and don't let life get you down. Find something to feel good again. And I hope to see you soon in my next vlog. And I hope you don't feel like this little dung beetle, because Tim and I spent half an hour trying to rescue these little cute bugs. Well, see you soon, and bye!
Erste Mal im Testzentrum. Wie fühlen wir uns, Tim? Hoffentlich nicht. Wo sind die?